Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 3 subtraction and this is our lecture number 3. Now in this lecture I shall discuss about mixed word problems on addition and subtraction and exercise 3C. Now mixed word problems. Question 1. The population of a town was 97,716. The number of old people in the town was 13,376. The number of young men was 30,109. And the number of young women was 23,396. Find the number of children in the town. Okay? See, the population of a town was 97,716. Okay. Now, out of these, the number of old people in the town was 13,376. Number of young men was 30,109. And the number of young women was 23,396. What we have to find? We have to find the number of children in the town. See, first of all, we will add the number of old people, number of young men, and number of young women. Clear? Answer right statements. Number of old people equal to 13,376. Number of young men equal to 30,109. Number of young women equal to 23,396. So total number equal to what we will do? We will do addition. See, 6 plus 9, 15. And 15 plus 6, 21. Write 1 here and 2 carry. 2 plus 7, 9. Plus 0, 9. And 9 plus 9, 18. Write 8 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. Plus 3, 8. Write 8 here. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6. Write 6 here. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Write 6 here. Total number of old people, young men and young women equal to 66,881. Clear? Hence, the number of children equal to 97,716 minus 66,881 means total number of population minus total number of old people, young men and young women. Clear? Write down 97,716 minus 66,881. Now subtract this. 6 minus 1, 5. Write 5 here. Now see, 1 minus 8, it is not possible. So we will take 4 from this 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Write 3 here. Now see, 6 minus 8, again it is not possible. So we will take 4 from this 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 6 will become 16. 16 minus 8, 8. Write 8 here. 6 minus 6, 0. Write 0 here. 9 minus 6, 3. Write 3 here. Therefore, the number of children in the town equal to 30,835. Clear? Now, question 2. 3 schools donated to the Earthquake Relief Fund. First school donated rupees 73,475. Second school donated rupees 2,375 more than the first school. And the third school donated rupees 2,962 less than the first school. How much money in all was donated to the fund? See, first school donated rupees 73,475. Second school donated rupees 2,375 more than the first school. It means we will do addition here. Why? Because more than is written. And the third school donated rupees 2,962 less than the first school. It means we will do subtraction here. Why? Because less than is written here. And at last we will do addition. Clear? But first of all we will write the statements. So write down answer. First school donated will be equal to rupees 73,475. Second school donated equal to rupees 73,475 plus 2,375. Why? Because see, it is more than the first school. That's why we will do addition here. So now write down 73,475 plus 2,375. Clear? Now add this 5 plus 5, 10. Write 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 7, 15. Write 5 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. Write 8 here. 3 plus 2, 5. Write 5 here and write 7 as it is. So second school donated equal to rupees 75,850. Clear? Third school donated equal to rupees 73,475 minus 2,962. Why? Because it was less than the first school. So that's why we will subtract. Clear? Write down 73,475 minus 2,962. Now subtract this. 5 minus 2, 3. Write 3 here. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 9, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. And write 7 as it is. Third school donated equal to rupees 70,513. Clear? Hence, the total money donated equal to 73,475 plus 75,850 plus 70,513. So we will add this. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 3, 8. Write 8 here. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. Write 3 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 5, 18. Write 8 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. Plus 0, 9. Write 9 here. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. Write 21 here. Therefore, the total money donated to the Earthquake Relief Fund by 3 schools equal to rupees 2,19,838. Clear? Now, fourth question given on page number 38. Question 1. Place the digits 2, 4, 6 and 7 into the boxes so that the difference between two-digit numbers is as big as possible. In this we have to fill these boxes so that the difference between two-digit numbers is as big as possible. So first of all we will write greatest two-digit number formed from this given digits and smallest two-digit number formed from this given digits. Clear? So write down answer. See, 76 is the greatest two-digit number and 24 is the smallest two-digit number. Out of these given digits 2, 4, 6 and 7. See, 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 2, 5. Answer is 52. Clear? Now, question 2. Two boys participated in a race. They had to cross 5 laps. For each lap, Lakshay and Vedant got some points. You need to decide who won by getting maximum score. See, table is given. Lap. First lap, second lap, third lap, fourth lap. Lakshay's point and Vedant's points are given. Clear? Now, see, A part. Who wins at the end? To calculate who wins at the end, we will add Lakshay's points and we will add then Vedant's point and then we will compare. See, answer. See, Lakshay's point equal to 8,000 plus 20,000 plus 35,000 plus 40,000. We will add this. Answer will be 1,03,000. Now, Vedant's points equal to 10,000 plus 25,000 plus 20,000 plus 28,392 and that is equal to 83,392. Now we will compare. See, 1,03,000 is greater than 83,392. Thus, Lakshay wins at the end. Now, B part. Write the best score of Lakshay in words. See, first lap, second lap, third lap, fourth lap. See, Lakshay's point 8,000, 20,000, 35,000, 40,000. See, greatest is 40,000. So, best score of Lakshay is 40,000. Write down the best score of Lakshay is 40,000. You have to write in words also 40,000. Clear? C part. Write the best score of Vedant in words. See, 10,000, 25,000, 20,000, 28,392. Greatest is 28,392. Write down answer. The best score of Vedant is 28,392. You have to write in words also 28,392. Clear? Now, D part. In lap 2, by how many points Vedant beats Lakshay? Answer. See, in lap 2, Lakshay's point 20,000 and Vedant's point 25,000. 25,000 minus 20,000. Answer will be 5,000. Clear? So write down in lab 2, Vedant beats Lakshay by 5,000 points. Clear? Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 3C. Question number 1. Out of 78,900 books published in 2014, 26,543 were of science, 15,930 were of mathematics, and the remaining were of other subjects. Find the number of books of other subjects. Clear? Now, question 2. Three persons A, B, and C need rupees 2 lakh to start a business. A has rupees 55,000, B has rupees 69,000, and C has rupees 39,000. How much more money is required to start the business? Now, question 4. A shopkeeper sold 36,313 kilogram rice on Monday. On Tuesday, he sold 769 kilogram of rice more than on Monday, and on Wednesday, he sold 778 kilogram rice less than on Monday. How much rice was sold by him in 3 days? Clear? Now, question 5. A student was told to write the numeral for 19,356, but he wrote 90,536. Write both in numerals and find the difference between them. Okay, these are the questions assigned as homework. Now I will discuss homework solutions of lecture number 2 of chapter number 3, Subtraction. Now exercise 3A, question 7. Fill in the blanks correctly. A part, 43,506 minus 43,506 equal to dash. We are subtracting both the same numbers, so answer will be 0. So write down answer. 43,506 minus 43,506 equal to 0. Answer is 0. Now B part, 57,570 minus dash equal to 0. See, difference is 0. So we will write here that same number, that is 57,570. So write down answer. 57,570 minus 57,570 equal to 0. Answer is 57,570. Okay. Now C part, dash minus 73,760 equal to 0. See, difference is 0, so we will write here that same number, that is 73,760. Write down answer. 73,760 minus 73,760 equal to 0. Clear? Now D part, dash minus 0 equal to 7,07,071. See, difference is 7,07,071. So we will write here that same number, that is 7,07,071. Okay, write down 7,07,071 minus 0 equal to 7,07,071. Okay. Now exercise 3B, question number 6. The difference between the two numbers is 17,961. If the greater number is 4,12,629, find the smaller number. Difference between two numbers is given to you, that is 17,961. And if the greater number is 4,12,629, we have to find the smaller number. Okay, so write down answer. Greater number equal to 4,12,629. Difference equal to 17,961. Smaller number equal to, we will subtract this. See, 9 minus 1, 8. Now see, 2 minus 6, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 6. So this 6 will become 5 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Now see, 5 minus 9, again it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 5 will become 15. 15 minus 9, 6. Now see, 1 minus 7, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 1. So this 1 will become 0 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 7, 4. Now see, 0 minus 1, again it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Right? 3 as it is. Therefore, smaller number is 3,94,668. Clear? Now, question 8. 3,48,392 people live in town A and 3,51,462 live in town B. Which town has more people and by how much? First we have to find which town has more people. It means we will compare the people living in town A and town B. And after that we have to find by how much. See, okay? See. Compare 3,51,462 live in town B and 3,48,392 people live in town A. See, which one is greater? 3,51,462. So, town B has more people. And then we have to find by how much. It means we will do subtraction. See, 3,51,462 minus 3,48,392. Now, subtract this. 2 minus 2, 0. Now see, 6 minus 9, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 3 minus 3, 0. Now see, 1 minus 8, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 8, 3. 4 minus 4, 0 and 3 minus 3, 0. Clear? Therefore, by 3070, town B has more people than town A. Clear? Now, question 9. Find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. Answer: greatest 5-digit number equal to 99,999 and smallest 5-digit number equal to 10,000. Now, we have to find the difference between these two. Clear? Write down 99,999 minus 10,000. Okay? Now subtract this. Now see, 9 minus 0, 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. Again 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 1, 8. So answer is 89,999. Clear? Now question 10. Mother Dairy produced 30,000 pouches of milk in one day. It supplied 20,196 a day to various depots. How many pouches were left behind? It means we have to find the difference. But first of all, we will write the statement. So write down answer. Number of milk pouches produced in one day equal to 30,000. Number of milk pouches supplied in one day equal to 20,196. Number of milk pouches left equal to, it means we will do now subtraction. See, 0 minus 6, it is not possible. So we will take borrow from this. Next, we can't borrow from this 0. Next, we can't take borrow from this 0. Next, we can't borrow from this 0. Next, we will take borrow from this 3. So this 3 will become 2. Okay, but first of all, this 3 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10. Now see, this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay. Now this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Again, this 10 will give borrow to this 0. So this 0 will become 10 and this 10 will become 9. Okay. Now see, 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. Therefore, 9,804 pouches of milk were left. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.